think back to how frustrating it was to animate several characters in one scene. Most tools either gave you only lip-synced, or you had to separately, sync the voices, and then painstakingly stitch everything together.
Well, that headache is finally over. Dzine AI has just launched a multi-character animation feature that completely changes the game. Now, characters don't just lip sync, they move and interact seamlessly. And it even works with non-human characters. This is the kind of upgrade animators have been waiting for.
In this video, I want to show you how to animate two characters in one scene using Dzine AI. The first step is to create a Dzine AI account and then click on New Project to start the project for you. After that, you need to drag the photo here. The first thing you need to know, you need to create an image of your podcast, or you can create it on Dzine AI, but for this tutorial I'm going to use AI to create my image. You just need to paste the prompt there. I will leave the prompt in the description of this video. After that, you need to choose the aspect ratio and click on generate, and AI will go ahead and create you two stunning images. As you can see, these are two images, two podcast images, and you need to choose one of them. As for me, I'm going to with the second one. Click on the three dots and click on download. As you can see, the two images are good. I just chose the one that was good for me, but as for you, you can choose the one you want. Okay, let's go to the next step. Now next is to add our image on Dzine AI. You just click on new project, you choose the aspect ratio 16:9, and then after that you need to click on drag there. You just click on save the aspect ratio, click on save. After that, you need to click on drag this arrow. You can see the arrow there. Click on drag there, yeah, and then click on downloads there. After clicking on download, you need to give it some seconds to load the images you have on your device. After that, you need to choose the image. You can see the image there, and it's written picrament and other numbers, so you need to choose the image and wait for some seconds for the image to be uploaded on Dzine AI. After the image is downloaded or uploaded on Dzine AI, you need to click on lip sync on your left side there, and then you need to choose the face. The face you need to choose, just click on choose the face you want to lip sync. After that, you are blocked here where you need to choose the photo. Just choose the photo that you uploaded on Dzine AI. After choosing the photo you uploaded on Dzine AI, you need to choose one of the faces. Remember, you have two characters on this photo. There's two characters. You need to select one. I want the female to speak first, to be the one to speak before the male. So click on the female and click on next. After that, you need to add the audio. You need to add the audio for the female. Just see Dzine AI have a lot of audios. You can choose between them. You just need to copy paste the text so that Dzine AI can generate audio for you. You can see a lot of audios there. Remember, it's a female talking, so you need to choose a female voice so that you cannot mess up things. Okay, to do that, you just click on the female audio, listening to them, and choose the one that suits best for you. As for me, I'll just listen to all of them and scroll down, and you can see Dzine AI provides you a lot of audios, so you need to just choose one of them. Okay, scroll down and choose one of the audio. But if you don't want to do this, you can do the other way. I will show you the other way to do it. As for me, I just listen to a lot of audios before I come to a conclusion on which audio I want to use. As you can see, you need now to paste. After choosing the audio, you need to paste what you want this lady to say. After pasting, you just click on generate audio. If you don't want to just pass this process, you need to just create audio using another device or another AI, or record your audio. Okay, as for this, I'm going to show you how to create an audio outside Dzine AI and then upload the audio to Dzine AI. Okay, before going there, you need to just click on generate audio, and Dzine AI will go ahead and create the audio for you. Okay, just listen to the previews and all that. Now let me take you to the process of creating the audio outside design, you're going to use minimax.io audio generator. Click on text to speech. You can use any audio generator or text to speech of your choice. I'm going to use minimax.io for this tutorial. Just paste in the audio or the text, paste in the text you want, and then click on the audio and choose the variety of audio that you design or that minimax.io provides for you. Just listen to them one by one. Remember, it's a female voice, so you need to choose a female audio. You need to scroll down listening to all of the audios, so you can come out to the conclusion of which one suits you the best. Okay, you can see this is lady and girl. Listen to it and click on generate. It's the best. Just click on generate and give it some seconds as it generates or converts your text to audio, and it takes less some seconds. Okay, if you have watched this video so far, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss my next upload. Okay, minimax.io gives you 10,000 credits per month for free. So after generating it, just click on the audio and click on download. You can see there is a download icon there, and then minimax.io will download the audio and save it on your device. Okay, you can see it have already been downloaded as a file. Okay, now the next step is to now generate our second audio. Remember, you have two characters, you have the male and the female, so you need to generate the audio for the male also. Okay, to do that, you just need to delete this audio. You can choose to delete one by one, but you can just skip out on in and paste the text where you want or which you want the mail to say. Okay, remember to give this video a like, okay, so that it can reach more people out there. I'm going to give you 1 second to do that. Please like this video, okay. Hope you have done so. Okay, now you just need to paste in. Click on text to speech, paste in the mail audio here, click there and then click on paste, and hope you have saved the text on your clipboard or your device. After that, you need to choose the male voice. Remember, this time you're going to choose a male voice, not a female voice. Okay, just for the man, there's a lot of audios here. You just listen to them, and if you feel it aligns with what the type of audio you want, you just choose it. Okay, it just takes some seconds. You just need to listen to a lot of them or some of them before you come with a conclusion of which one you want to choose. Okay, after that, you just need to click on select. After selecting, just click on generate. As I said earlier, it takes some seconds to generate the audio, but the audio is good and perfect. This is the audio that I used for my intro for this video, and if you like that audio, you're going to see that audio on minimax.io, and it is free. For those who use other audio generators, it also matters with your choice, because as for me, I like this one. For other people, they like other audio. Now, after the audio have been created by minimax.io, you just need to just click on the audio there, the thing that look like a watch, and then click on download the audio, and the audio will be saved on your device. You can name the audio. You can choose to name the audio so that you cannot confuse, but as for me, I will not confuse because they were generated different times, so I will use the time to know which was generated earlier. Now head over back to Dzine AI, choose our project, click on lip sync. You can remember where there is lip sync on the right hand side. Is it the right hand side? Yes, it is the right hand side. Click on the right hand side and click on lip sync. You can see where the lip sync comes in. It takes some seconds to adjust or to sense this. Okay, click on choose the face. You can remember you are supposed to choose which character should talk but and lip sync, but Dzine AI is going to also animate the second character, the one that is not talking but it will have some gestures. Okay, that is what is called to animate different characters or two characters in one scene. One character will talk and the other character will do some gestures or will just be animated. Okay, choose the lady. After choosing the lady, click on save or next. Click on next. After clicking on next, now you need to choose, click on add audio, the add audio there down. Remember, the audio should be less than 30 seconds. The audio should be less than 30 seconds. Click on import audio, click on downloads. Remember, the audio was from your downloads, okay, because you downloaded it to your device. Click on downloads. No, you should go back and click on your downloads. Okay, click on downloads. After clicking on downloads, you need to choose the audio. You can see now these two audios, the one that was generated first is the one that female should talk, and is the one that is the second one. You can see that that's the audio. After that, you can see your audio was just imported, but it is taking some time to load, but it is imported now back to Dzine AI. You can learn it, and if you listen to it and it's fine, you just need now to click on generate, and it is going to use some credits for this. Remember, I'm doing this for free on Dzine AI, but it is limited if you have a free account. Okay, that is the step. Okay, you can see all the rules of Dzine AI. You can see here there is 2D to 3D image generator, there is 3D character generator, add stickers to photos, animate filters, AI change text to image. A lot of them there are errors. Dzine AI can do a lot of things. So this is in one AI that has all the tools that you need. Okay, so if you want to generate image, if you want to animate the image, if you want to, you can see also AI design a t-shirt, AI emoji generator. You can see there is a lot. You can scroll down and see a lot of the loads. These are loads that the Dzine AI can do for you for free, but it is limited. I'm going to show you how the plan looks, and I think and I hope you are going to like it. If you have watched this video so far, remember to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Okay, you can see these all those are tools available on Dzine AI, and that is fine. Click on resources, and a resource I want to click on pricing, or no, I want to click on affiliates, because you can, Dzine AI also has affiliates, but to participate on affiliates you need to have subscribed to a pro account. Okay, let's click on it, and you can see, you shall see and understand. For you to participate in Dzine AI affiliates, you need to have a pro account on Dzine AI. Understood? Hope you understood it. Okay, and you can see it is said subscribe to unlock your referral link. You can see there is the link, but before I access to this link, I need to subscribe to Pro on Dzine. Okay, and it has a lot of explanation to teach you and to show you how much you earn. The coins you earn, you use them on Dzine to generate more and to animate more images for your videos. Okay, so if you can just subscribe to one to unlock this, it will also be a plus for you. Okay, let's click on pricing, and you see for a free account, that is what I have now. You can see all the loads that you can do, all things that it gives you, but it is limited. And for beginners, you are supposed to have $8.99 per month, and that I think it is more than fair. It's fair. That is less than $10. That is fair. And for a creator, for a beginner is someone who wants to test it, and if you just choose and see it is going to do good work for your videos, you now need to subscribe to a creator account. To subscribe to a creator, you need to use $19.99, and I know that is a very less according or compared to other AI generators. Okay, If you are a team, you can also subscribe. And that is enough for today. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video. I love you all.